Hello everyone, welcome to Sangeeta's Kitchen Delights. I am Sangeeta. After a long time, I am back with a new recipe. Today, I'll be sharing a very easy and quick matar pulao recipe or peas pulao recipe which you can make under 30 minutes. Matar pulao is a very quick and easy rice option which you can serve with any special curry like chicken kosha, mutton kosha, or any veg preparation to make your dinner or lunch special. Today I'll be making the pulao for 4 people. That's why I have taken the basmati rice 2 cup. Here I have taken a strainer on a big bowl and then transferring the rice on the strainer. Now I am pouring the water to wash the rice properly. Now our washing process is over. The rice is very well and clean now. And now I am transferring the rice into a glass bowl. And then soak the rice with enough amount of water. Cover it with a cling film and then leave it for rest around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes I am back and now remove the cover. Drain the extra water from rice. Now leave the rice into the strainer and place the strainer on an empty bowl or any vessels so that if there is any extra water in the rice, it will be completely drained out. Here I have heated up a deep pan and then I am taking 3 tablespoons of ghee. This ghee is my homemade ghee. I will leave the link of the ghee in the description box. If you need, you can check it out. Let the melt ghee properly and I am keeping the heat in medium. After melting the ghee, I am adding bay leaf. Just tear the bay leaf from the middle and then adding a dried red chili broken from the middle and then cinnamon stick 2 pieces, green cardamom 6 pods and some cloves. Before adding, I have broken one side of the green cardamoms. After 10 seconds of frying in medium heat, I am adding Shahi Jeera 1 teaspoon. Fry the all spices for few seconds. Once the aroma is coming out, adding the ginger paste in the oil. Fry the ginger paste until its raw aroma has gone. Now I am adding the green peas 1 cup. Here I have used frozen green peas. If you have the fresh one, you can use that. Adding salt to taste. Now I am going to fry the green peas about couple of minutes. Time to add soaked basmati rice. We will fry the rice around 5 to 7 minutes. For any rice preparation, water quantity is very important. Here I have taken 4 cup of hot water which I am adding now. We have taken 2 cup of rice, so that 4 cup of water. Adding salt to taste. Water quantity will be the double of rice quantity. Adding green chili. This green chili will give you a very nice flavor. If you don't want, you can skip it. And adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar and salt you can add as per your taste. Notice our rice is almost half cooked. Now I am going to cover it and let it cook around 15 minutes in medium to low heat. After 15 minutes, our pulao is almost ready. A very nice aroma is coming out from the pulao. I am just mixing the pulao in light hand. Now I'll cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes more in very low heat for dum. Our pulao is completely done, but I need to give it a rest time by covering it for at least 10 minutes. Our pulao is completely ready to serve now. Today I am serving this pulao with chicken kosha and some green salads. This chicken kosha video already is in my channel. If you want, you can check it out. I will give the link in my description box. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoy this video, please share to your friends and family and subscribe my channel. It is completely free, and press the bell button so that you will get a notification when I will upload a new video. I will be back with a new recipe. Till then, take care and bye.